1. Alright, upsetting spaghetti, getting some green cubes into that system. We've got a very fast lift system to score those greens. The mechanical stakes your board, pushing those red off the post. That's 5 points for each one knocked. Upsetting spaghetti looking like they got some cubes into the first roll. The mechanical stakes your board looking like they're clearing the sun for a park. 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. Upsetting spaghetti getting some greens into that goal. 25 seconds, you must now switch drivers. As we get to the last 20 seconds, it looks like the mechanical stakes your board have a full mark. Upsetting spaghetti getting some cubes into that system. They've got 2 in. Straight to the wall. They get 1 in. With 5 seconds left, can they get the bonus? 3, 2, 1. All right, coming back to Spirit Field for qualification match number 10. We got 6-0.